In this video, I am going to show you how to hide unnecessary menu items from WordPress admin. So let's get started. So this is the dashboard of our WordPress website, and here we will see few menu items that are unnecessary. So now today in this video, we are going to hide them. So to do this, at first we need to install a WordPress plugin. So from the WordPress dashboard, we are going to click on plugins and then add new. And now we are going to search for a plugin admin menu editor. And we are going to install and activate this first plugin. Now from the left menu, we are going to click on settings and then menu editor. Now if you want to rearrange menu items, you can also do this using this plugin. Let's say I want to see Elementor on top of these menu items. So I am going to drag Elementor from here and drag it towards the upside. And as you can see that Elementor is now on the top. And after that we are going to click on save changes. And now we will see Elementor on top of all these menu items. Now if you want to hide any menu item, just select it. And on the top menu, you will see a menu, hide without preventing access. Just click on it. And then click on save changes. And now you will no longer see code snippets on our admin menu. Now if you want to hide any menu item for all the users except administrators, then just click on this drop down arrow. And here under extra capability, click on drop down again. And here you will see user roles. We are going to select administrator from here. And after that, we are going to click on save changes. Now only administrator can see this plugin tab. So this is how you can hide unnecessary menu items from WordPress admin page. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.